In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own theme in PowerPoint. This is a fantastic skill to add a personal touch to your presentations, making them stand out with consistency and style. Let's dive right in and make your next presentation memorable. First, we need to open PowerPoint on your computer. Once you've launched the application, ensure you have your presentation ready. You may want to work directly with an existing presentation or start fresh with a blank one. Just ensure that this is the one where you'd like your theme changes to be applied. Once your presentation is open, head over to the Design tab. This can be found along the top menu ribbon, which provides access to various powerful tools for modifying the visual aspects of your slides. The Design tab is your gateway to crafting a theme that perfectly matches your style and the content of your presentation. Next, take a look at the drop-down menu for themes. It's usually located to the left side of the Design tab. Here you'll find a collection of preset themes offered by PowerPoint. These can be quite handy and serve as inspiration, but today we're focusing on creating something uniquely yours. Now, to save the theme you're creating for future use, navigate to and click on Save Current Theme. This option allows you to preserve your customizations and changes, making sure that you can effortlessly apply this new look to any presentation you create in the future. It's a fantastic way to maintain a cohesive design across multiple presentations. After you select Save Current Theme, a dialog box will appear, prompting you to type in the theme name. Choose a name that clearly reflects the theme's purpose or design, so that it will be easy to identify later. For instance, if this theme is for corporate presentations, you might label it something like Company Standard or Corporate Blue. Once you've typed in your chosen name, click on the Save button. Doing this will store your custom theme in PowerPoint's template gallery, making it accessible whenever you need it. The next time you're preparing a presentation, you can select this theme and maintain a consistent professional look throughout your slide deck. And there you have it, a theme that's entirely your own. You've not only enhanced the visual appeal of your current presentation, but also set the groundwork for future designs. Remember that creating a theme isn't just about colours and fonts, it's a way to enhance the communication of your ideas and reinforce your brand or message throughout your work. Thanks for watching, and I hope this empowers you to create visually stunning presentations. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and design tips. Happy presenting!